Hello everyone. Let's continue with the another component, that is the numeric up down. So in the list of your controls, you can find numeric up down over somewhere over here, and when you drag and drop it, you can see this type of control. By default it will have a 0 value and this type of up down keys inside the control. So what is the main use of this control? So this control we use, as the name suggests, numeric up down. So from this portion you can do the up and down, and this is your numeric value. Just like when you want to take the value from the user, some numeric value from the user, like age or number or any other thing, in that case you can use this numeric up down. So by using this numeric up down you can reduce the chance of error, right? Let's say day, then month. So this type of data you can take using the numeric up down. Now it is clear that why we call it a numeric up down, numeric. But what is the meaning of up down? Up down means only by clicking on these buttons you can directly, like there is a range, like there is a property, maximum property and a minimum property. You can set the value, like what range you want. Let's say age, right? And I want to take only people from let's say teenagers or some other age group, like 21 to 50, right? So in this case 21 is my minimum value and 50 is my maximum value. So here we are restricting user to enter any other value by providing this range. So when you fill the maximum and minimum values, when you set these properties, automatically this control will have a list of 21, 22, 23 up to the 50 values, and you can simply up and down them by using this buttons or by these keys, right? So it's very easy and very important component. It has most useful properties like name, border style, text align. All these are very common. Most important or some interesting properties, intercept arrow keys. So if you want to allow user to use keyboard keys, keyboard up and down keys, in that case you can set the property of this value of this property, intercept arrow keys. If you want to allow them, keep it true, otherwise false. So intercept arrow keys. Then another is decimal places. For example, you are giving some height or age or some weight. In that case 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, right? So how many decimal places you want, that also you can decide through the property. Increment. What is the increment? Let's say I want value like 1, 5, 10, 15, only this type of. It means here I have increment by 5, right? So if I say minimum is 1, maximum is 20, in that case I can, if I write increment 5, it means I will have value 1, 5, 10, 15 and 20, right? So this is the increment. Then 1000 operators. In case of the currency or the amount I want to use, I can use the 1000 operators, like 1000, right? If this numeric up down we use for the amount or the currency price, like that, in that case we can use the 1000 separators. Then location X and Y, where you want to place this control on the form, and height and width means the size. This is the height and this is the width. So it's very interesting control. You can explore it more by using it in practical. So explore it more and you can use it. I give you one example what you can do. Like okay, let me show you. So here we have the previous example. We are continuing with it. Here we have a numeric up down. See, you can simply drag and drop it. Okay, this is the numeric up down, and let's say when I run this form, I want that whatever the value it has in the numeric up down, I want it in the text box. In this text box, I want this. Okay, there is some issue. Yeah. Okay, so what I want to do, whatever the value it is there in the numeric up down, I want the same value in this text box. This practical, you can do it by your own. You need to check that which event you need to, which event you will choose to write this code. Your job is to, whatever the value is there in the numeric up down, it should be copied in the text box. It is simply assignment value, right? You just need to assign the value from this control to this control, and for that, okay, value change is an event and you can write the code over here. I leave this up to you that how you can perform this practical. So this is about the numeric up down. Next component we will discuss in the next session.